See the next command. To view the next command, again I have to type some paragraph here. These are the two paragraph I have typed. Now select this paragraph first and go to text to frame. Fit text to frame is it fits the entire text to this frame. This is called the frame. The dotted line, what you see, the paragraph text box, that's called frame. It fits the entire text to that frame. Fit text to frame is, you see the view has changed. It has fitted the paragraph to this text, the paragraph frame, the text frame, you can say. Now the next command is link or unlink. Now to view the link or unlink, what I'll do is, again I'll make a duplicate copy of this paragraph, or you can write a new paragraph, whatever you want to. Suppose I have two different paragraph box, two different frames here. Okay, these are the two different frames here. This is one frame, this is two frame. Now I want to link this particular frame to the other frame. So linking, what it does is, it continues the flow of the text to the second to another frame. So whatever you want to, suppose if you want to continue this particular paragraph, just to continue this paragraph below the text where it ends, you can link the frames, or we make to understand, I'll show you another way here for you to understand. Show this in another way. So what I'll do is, I'll fill this text with the entire page. So this is the page, this is the sheet, and I have filled it with the text. Okay, now what I'll do is, I'll insert another text. I'll insert another sheet here. Okay, now I've shown you this we have learned. I'll simply go to this on the bottom here, and I'll right click my mouse button and insert page after. Okay, here I'll add some other text. So this is some other text here, and now I want to link this particular paragraph frame to another paragraph which is on the another sheet. What I'll do is, I'll go to text. First you need to select both the frame. So I'll keep this particular frame outside this sheet so that I can easily select both the frames. Then again I'll go to page 1, I'll select frame 1 and select frame 2. This is frame, and this is frame 1, and this is frame 2. Then I'll go to text and link. Now you see this has linked to this particular frame. Now as soon as I enlarge this particular frame, all the text here, it continues from this in the first frame. Okay, so what I have done is, there are two different frames here. Okay, there are two different frames. First, to link this frame, first I'll select the frame which has to be linked. Okay, first I'll select the frame which has to be linked. This is the frame which I want to link it to another frame. Then I'll go to the frame to which it has to be linked. This is the frame which I want to link it to this frame. Okay, now I'll go to text, paragraph text frame, and link. Now these two frames have linked to each other. Now if I reduce this frame size, okay, you'll see the text, it keeps shifting to the second frame. Okay, now again if I increase the frame, all the text, again it shifts to its original position. This is how you can link the frame. Okay, this is the linking of frame. And suppose if I want this particular frame to be on the second sheet, I'll go to second sheet and shift sheet, and I'll place this particular frame in that sheet. Okay, now suppose if I want some space in the bottom here in sheet, I'll reduce this paragraph frame, and I'll go to the next frame. It has by default shifted the text frame to another paragraph, another frame. So here the advantage is the linking benefits are the text it doesn't hide anywhere. Okay, suppose if there is no linking and if you reduce the text frame, the text gets hidden. So here the text is not hidden. What it does is it has shifted to another frame. Okay, now here you can place any image or put some other objects and go to second frame, and you will find the continuation of this first frame in the second. Okay, this is what is the use of linking the link frame. Now suppose if I want to unlink the frame, unlink both the frames, what I'll do is I'll select any of the frame, I'll go to paragraph, I have to select both the frame, then only I can unlink them, and then again I will go to text, paragraph text to frame and unlink. Okay, now both the frames have unlinked. Now suppose if I reduce the frame size, the text gets hidden here, it doesn't shift to another frame. Okay, the text gets hidden. In the same way it happens to this also. If I unlink the frame, this is what the link and unlink does. You have to select both the frame, then only the command becomes active to link or unlink the frame. Okay.